Unlike other work-related illnesses, hearing damage is generally irreversible. Consequently, it is necessary to be aware of dangerous noise and protect yourself from it. But what exactly is a dangerous type of noise? It can be dangerous depending on its intensity, exposure time, and frequency. So as to define noise hazards in the workplace, answer these 3 questions. How strong is it? How long is it? And how near is it? For example, being exposed to a noise of 85 decibels for a time span of over 8 hours can cause hearing damage. In the same category, we can find a truck's traffic, lawnmower, chainsaw, plane, alarm, among others. You must choose the proper protection depending on the noise intensity and the work conditions. The noise intensity is measured in decibels, which is why you must know all about the number of decibels when you select your hearing protection device. This information is available on the personal protection device. Don't forget to use items that are certified by the entities of your country or region. The 2 most common protections are: earplugs are generally disposable. Make sure your hands are clean before use. Once inserted, hold for about 20 seconds so that it is well placed. If you use earmuffs, make sure they are in good condition. They must be absolutely dry after washing. And regularly verify the condition of the sealing cushion. If damaged, replace for new ones and do not make unauthorized alterations. If you are pregnant, avoid exposure to a noisy environment, which can cause damage to the fetus or put him or her under stress. Finally, bear in mind that dangerous noise can be found in the workplace and in our daily life. Remember that there is no cure for long-term damage caused by exposure to noise, so now is the time to take necessary precautions.